It's time to do the boxing for the 7th participant in the Silva challenge. This time it's Mike Hawkins. I've known Mike for a while now, and as I mentioned early on, you don't have to have a YouTube channel or an Instagram account to do the challenge. You just need to apply. and eventually it'll get around to you. Anyhow, there's a lot of people who have signed up for this. This will be going for quite a while. This happens to be Mike's turn, and you may have seen Mike refer to me as Dad on YouTube in the comments. Part of that reason is because we've communicated on Facebook. He's my go-to guy when I have Gaslands questions. And he kept buying castings and getting more castings and getting more castings. And I kept telling him, get tools. You need to get tools. So I said it so many times that he said, okay, fine, Dad. And so since then, we've been jokingly calling each other Dad and Son. So in case you were curious. So oddly enough, after I tell him, get tools, get tools, get tools, now I'm going to be sending him castings. So anyhow, let's see what we have. There's this trailer. And I don't know, I just see him doing some kind of rig with that. So, but if I'm going to throw a trailer in there, I got to throw a truck in there. This one's kind of beat to hell, but I think it would make a... Yeah, that looks about right, scale-wise. Yeah. Get off of there. So let's do that. I recently used this oh, actually, this is a little... I thought this was the Thunder Hauler that I used earlier for another custom I had done. But apparently not. This is really similar, though. That one was a Hot Wheels, so throw that in there. Huh. What the heck is... I'm not even sure who makes this one, but I'm keeping that one. That's kind of cool. I don't know what the heck it is. And practical as hell, because how is the trailer supposed to get on there? I'm setting that aside. It's another one of those I set aside for myself. There's more of those than anything. I do not understand this casting at all, what Hot Wheels had in mind. But hey, that's perfect. Something I completely cannot figure out. Nope. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out the best way to get all this stuff to fit, which is always the dilemma. Get as much in there. Yeah, he doesn't need any more trucks. Well, racing gasoline. Made in China. Okay. That'll fit. Maybe he can use the tank off of that for something. That's enough out of that one. This tub is full of, I think I have a label. Well, I guess I don't have a label. I thought this was the one that said dirt clods, because these things are just covered in dirt. There's an old Harrier jet. Not sure who made that. That looks like its paint's all screwed up. I'm not sure what happened to it, but maybe you can use the wings off of that for something. Huh. Like I said, there's a lot of dirt on stuff. And that looks like an old Hot Wheels motorcycle. As you can see, it's obviously dirty. The dirt's free, Mike. And that's a nice thing about flat rate shipping, is they don't charge me extra to send you dirt. Aveline Barford dump truck. That's gotta be a chunk off. Yeah, there must have been a bed coming off of that at one point. Yeah, you can have that. I don't know what the heck I would do with it. I gotta make sure this stuff closes. Yeah, throw that in there. I think I've gone through this one before. I think you've seen this one before. This That could be fun to do at some point. Boy, that's that looks like a tuned Porsche of some kind. Not much to go with it there. Ace Hardware truck. Everybody needs an Ace Hardware truck, right? Let's set that one aside. Let's see here. Oh, here's something. I just took the wheels off of this one. This is, as I recall, it's an Aston Martin. I took the wheels off of it for the Dibs build that is coming out shortly, if it hasn't come out already by the time you see this. I think these are parts off of, I think it's a Chewbacca. Yeah, it's definitely parts off a Star Wars thing. But that could be kind of cool. Gotta have a bug. A Maisto. Oh, it says it's off-road. Obviously an off-road bug. Yeah, what else? What else? What else? Oh, I know what I want to put in here. Shout out to Ukraine. I don't know if you can see it here. Made in Ukraine. There's a model kit. Petrol browser. No, I'm not going to send you the box. Or the instructions. You don't need instructions. You probably don't even need all those parts. Let's just do this. You can use chunks of this in your build. How's that? There's some model parts. Yeah, that's probably kind of cruel. Even better. Oops. Yeah, throwing stuff everywhere. Now you're probably going to try and build it and there's going to be something missing. There are wheels in here. There's all kinds of stuff. That's kind of cool. Prisoner transport. That would go well with that. Just throw that in there. Everybody needs a tractor, right? It's an old Matchbox Lesney tractor. Perfect. Let's see how we're doing here. Yep, still will close. Okay. Let's move some of this stuff aside. Bunch of 3D parts I printed earlier. All kinds of stuff. Guns, tanks. Make it happen, Mike. Let's see. Let's get out some more 3D stuff here. What do we got? Let's throw some more wheels in here. Let's throw in some of those. Larger wheels. Lord knows. Yeah, you might need those. There's that. What do we got in here? Let's see. More of the tanks. Everybody seems to be able to use these tanks. I mean, I've used them in several builds. People I've sent these builds out to have used them. Same with the front rams. There's usually some way to use them. All kinds of stuff. Throw those in there. More guns. I don't know, Mike, what else do you need? What else do you need to make this an interesting build? A weird build? Let's find more junk. What else do we have here? Oh, hey. Everybody needs rocket launchers, right? Or these actually could be exhaust. I mean, depending upon how you use it, you could use it as exhausts for something. Yeah, there's those. What else? How about that kind of rocket launcher kind of thing? I never seem to use little dudes. Here's little dudes. I never seem to put characters in my builds when I do them. I'm not sure why. If it's just laziness or stupidity or a combination of the two. These wheels are cool. These are from the Lee Perry designs. I really like those wheels. I'll throw a couple of those is all I have. Those. What else? Don't know. Throw a couple engines in here. If they'll fit. I don't know, Mike, what do you think? Think that you're pretty well situated with that? Snap that one off of there. Yeah, I know there's better ways to do that. Let's see. Oops. Perfect. Just right. There you go, Mike. I hope you have a lot of fun with this. Can't wait to see what you build, and it'll show up when I do the build video once you complete this. Good luck. Thanks for watching, everybody.